Hello friends, welcome to Synapse video tutorials. In this video I am going to give you overview about replicate or broadcast distribution in Synapse tables. Earlier videos I covered on types of distributions like hash, round robin and replicate, and individually I covered what is hash distribution, what is round robin, and this video I am going to give you overview on broadcast distribution. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel to receive or get a latest updates from my channel. And when it comes to replicate, so replicate is a common scenario in big data or data warehousing. In Spark we will have a broadcast join and a broadcast variables, that is called shared variable. So when you are joining with a small table to bigger table, we will face performance issues. To overcome that, what we can do, we can go with broadcasting. Casting or replicating. Replicating means same data will be available in another nodes. Same data will be available in another nodes. Normal MPP architecture is distributing your data and processing and storing into different nodes, right, or different distributions. But the data won't be available in another node or another distribution. But when it comes to broadcast, same copy will be available in other node as well. Same copy will be available in other node as well. That is called broadcasting. So broadcasting means when you are storing data, the same data will be available in, if we have a 2 node or 4 node, for example, you have a 4 nodes or maybe 2 nodes or maybe 6 nodes, whatever number of nodes. So that configuration you are choosing, whatever you are choosing, that maybe 5 node example. I have 10k rows, maybe particular customer table or product table or any dimension table. If you are going with the round robin, what will happen? 10k divided by 5, it will divide. So each node will have a 2k records, 2000 records. So 2000 here, 2000 here, 2000 here. That is round robin or maybe hash distribution. But when I go with replicate, that is broadcast. So broadcast maybe round robin or hash distribution. If I go with the hash distribution, what will happen? The same 10,000 records divided and stored into 2k here, 2k here, 2k here. Example. Okay. But when I go with the broadcasting, so broadcasting means copy, same copy will be available, that is 10k records in this node, 10k rows in node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5. So when it comes to this two are maybe round robin or hash. Round robin or hash. Round robin or hash. Okay. So when I go with the broadcast, okay, that is a replicate or broadcast, same 10,000 records will be available in each node, 10k broadcast. Broadcasting or replicating same data into each node. So this is called broadcast distribution, or you can say replicate distribution. Same data will be available in each node. Same data will be available in each node. While creating a table, you can go with that. While creating a table, so there is a type called broadcast. Primarily we will use for all dimension tables. We will go for that. All dimension table, we will go for that. have scripts here. Staging tables, after staging tables. This is staging table. Then customer table. Example, take this customer table, copy here. So you can see distribution type is replicate and index. So default you can go with any column, you can create index, but frequently filtered a surrogate key which you can go with index, ascending or descending. So this way we can create a, so just spelling mistake just while copy pasting. Okay, so now if you look at this, it's a dimension table. Just I'm using a type called distribution is equal to replicate. A replicate and index, you can use any index. So in another video I will cover different types of index where we can use this index, based on which requirement we will go with this indexes. So these are three types of distribution types which we can use in Synapse data warehouse. Hash distribution primarily for huge tables. Hash distribution primarily for huge tables which is having minimum 60 million records. Each distribution will go to minimum 60 million records, 60 million rows. So each distribution will go to 1 million records. Okay. Then when you will have a staging table you can go with this hash distribution. Staging tables we can go with round robin. When you have a small table means less than 1 GB. Okay, you can go with broadcast. So broadcast or replicate distributions. So these are our available types in Synapse. So based on your requirement you can choose and create and process the data. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much.